Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create a push certificate the first time Jamf Now is set up. After logging into Jamf Now, click Connect to APNs on the main screen. If you don't see that option, click APNs in the sidebar first. Click Download Certificate Signing Request.plist. Once the download is complete, click Next. During this next step, we'll sign into the Apple Push Certificates portal using an Apple ID. The same Apple ID will need to be used when renewing the push certificate each year. It's highly recommended that a generic, institutionally owned Apple ID is used to create the push certificate so it's not tied to a specific individual. Click Open the Apple Push Certificates portal. If you need to create a new Apple ID, click Create Yours Now. Otherwise, enter your credentials to sign in. Once signed in, click Create a Certificate. Read through the terms of use, then click the box that certifies that you have done so and click Accept to proceed. Under Vendor Signed Certificate Signing Request, click Choose File and select the Certificate Signing Request.plist file that we previously downloaded. Click Upload and then upload again to create the new push certificate. On the confirmation screen, click Download to download the newly created push certificate. Once the download is complete, go back to Jamf Now. With the push certificate created, click Next. Click Browse and choose the push certificate we just downloaded. Click Upload to confirm the selection. Finally, enter the Apple ID that was used to create the push certificate, click Save, and that's it. Remember, this certificate expires every year, so before you leave, make note of when the certificate will need to be renewed. Thanks for watching.